Welcome back to Bible Quiz Star. What identity does Paul emphasize for himself? A. Apostle, B. Preacher, C. Prophet, or D. Teacher? The answer is apostle. If you guessed that right, just hit the like button. Is the gospel described as something promised through prophets? Is it true or false? The correct answer is B. True. If you guessed that right, then subscribe. From whose lineage did Jesus come according to Paul? A. Abraham, B. David, C. Levi, or D. Solomon? The answer is David. Was Jesus declared the Son of God through his baptism? Is it true or false? The correct answer is A. False. What has been given through Jesus to call others to obedience? A. Grace, B. Law, C. Power, or D. Wealth? The answer is grace. Does Paul extend grace and peace to the saints in Rome? Is it true or false? The correct answer is B. True. What is Paul thankful for regarding the Romans? A. Faith, B. Status, C. Wealth, or D. Wisdom? The answer is faith. Does Paul state that he only prays for the wealthy among the Romans? Is it true or false? The correct answer is A. False. What does Paul hope to impart to the Romans? A. Healing, B. Spiritual gift, C. Status, or D. Wealth? The answer is spiritual gift. Is it true that Paul had been prevented from visiting the Romans in the past? Is it true or false? The answer is true. Is Paul ashamed of the gospel? Is it true or false? The correct answer is A. False. What is revealed through faith according to Paul? A. Grace, B. Judgment, C. Righteousness, or D. Salvation? The answer is righteousness. Is God's wrath revealed against all unrighteousness and ungodliness? Is it true or false? The correct answer is B. True. What did people exchange the truth of God for? A. Fame, B. Idols, C. Lies, or D. Money? The answer is lies. Does Paul mention that God gave people over to good desires? Is it true or false? The correct answer is A. False.